Okay, we're going to talk about the chord slide rule. What we have here is a printout from my web page of the fretboard basics GIF, and you can right click on that on the fretboard basics page, save it as a file, and print it out. A clear document protector to slide it inside, that's what we'll actually draw on, and two colored pens to draw the chord with. So once you've printed this out, slide it inside the document protector. Okay, now we have the fretboard basics diagram inside the clear document protector. Now let's say we needed to know how to play a G sharp chord, and we can't find a G sharp chord in our chord book. All we have to do is draw a G chord, circle every single letter in the G chord, and then slide it up out of the document protector. Okay, now I've circled the notes in the G chord. I circled the root in red, and I circled the other two notes, the third and the 5, in black. The G is the root of the chord, and if you'll notice, I circled not only the fingered notes, but the open notes. Now, if I wanted to play a G sharp chord, that means sharp means go up one fret. So all I'd have to do is take the piece of paper and slide it out until everything moved up one fret. And that would be how to play a G sharp chord. Now, obviously that'd be a pretty difficult bar. Most people can't do that, but we could shorten that. We could leave these two notes out and just put our fourth finger there and fret those three, and we'd have a G sharp chord, which is also called an A flat chord, which is the name you'll see me use for it most of the time. Now the way I like to do this chord is I mute this string, and I put my fourth finger here, my third finger here, I bar these three, and there would be the chord that I would use. This string would be muted. Now you can shorten the chord at either end, so you could actually just bar these three, put your fourth finger there. You could bar these three, put your fourth finger there, and your third finger there, and not play this note. But the one I like is to play the root, the third, the 5, and these two, and mute that one. I want to point out that this will remain major. When you take a major chord and slide it up, it remains major everywhere you go. If I put it there, it's an A chord. There we have a B flat chord. There we have a B chord. There we have a C chord. This chord will never become minor. Don't confuse flat and sharp with major and minor. That chord will remain major no matter where we move it.